Very good evening, guys. Today we are going to discuss a very useful and different topic which all humans must know in this machinery world. So, first look over the topic, the secret hidden by humans. This is the presentation given by me to you. So, you all have to have a look on it. It's a request from myself because after going through several secrets which is hidden, I'm preparing this video. The words in this video will be very much less because almost I have mentioned only the questions as the words here, but the answer discussed in the video is very much important and it will be surely useful for you all. So let's have a run on it. Before knowing about this secret, you must know what you need in your life. Yes, what you need in your life: money, happiness, friendship, or a relationship with someone, or you want to become a doctor. What what ask this question to you, what you need in your life. Ask this question to you by yourself and come with a solution which you need in your life. Okay, have you ever thought about how you want to live your life? For example, if you want, for the last question was what you need. If you want huge amount of money, say 100 million, how would you live with that 100 million? Happily or alone? Be in relationship with others or stay alone again? Enjoy love, and you just walk on the joy, or you just want to make yourself alone, you have to be depressed. Note one thing: money will not give you happiness. Money alone will not give happiness. Okay, you need to have at least a friend, or you need to have family, or you need to have some other inner joy in order to enjoy. Okay, for example, you can say that you ask a question that what you need. I need money. Then how could I take it? Either from joy or happiness will give me money? No. Yes, money can give you happiness, not in a vice versa manner. The happiness cannot give you money, but happiness can give you a way to create money. Once you are feeling motivated, happy, and joyful, you can just think how to create money. But when you have money and depressed, you cannot find happiness. That's the difference. Faith and be in a line with universe. Yes, faith. Have faith in you. You can do it. You are the only one in this world who can control you. If others can make you or influence you with their relationship, for example your mom or dad, they can influence you, but you are the only one who can control you. Throw your control in a positive way and smash the stresses out. Have faith in you. Be in line with the universe. See, the whole world is created by God and we are controlling that. We created the world with machines. We have to control the machines. The machine should not control us. We should open our eyes and walk in a path whichever we want. Believe in us, believe in you, believe in your own abilities and move on. So be in line with the universe and create your own universe. Don't blindly believe others, and don't blindly believe their mobile phones or the non-living things. These all were created by us. So we must tame them, not they must tame us. Past, present, and future. This is not any kind of tenses. Whatever happened in your past is the result you feel in the present. But whatever you do in the present will affect your future. So throw the past in the present and then create a positivity in your present and create a bright future. For example, if you are a say if you are poor, this is a result that you didn't work hard and you didn't earn money in your past. But if you start to work hard and earn money right now, your future will be good. You are the reason for who you are now. Gratitude and visualization, these two will improve your self confidence, improve your mind, boost your motivation level, improve your personal qualities, make you to feel engaged, make you to feel happy, make you to feel that you can do anything. Shift your thinking in a positive way, appreciate others and move positively, and also you will start to get appreciation from others once you do it. For example, waking up and feeling that okay, I am going to do something positive today, and I have to move towards something new. You can just feel the positivity after a few days, and you will start to feel positive every moment. Visualize. Suppose if you want to become a doctor or if you want to become a data scientist, you imagine that you are sitting in front of a computer and you are typing your program and creating some new softwares, and world is started to price you, and you are receiving huge amount of money, good fame, etc., etc., etc. It feels good. Yes, imagine such a way. Not only imagination alone will take you to a path, but imagination will give you a path what you want to become. Imagine your own ideas. The dream should never you to dream in night. It should make you to run in a positive way. Even in your dream, you must run. Imagine that you are what you are. Ask, answer, and receive. Yes. Ask who you are, what you want to become. Answer that in a very generous and honest way. Receive the result by doing the necessary steps and taking the efforts, and then you will start to receive everything whatever you want. Good and bad frequency, there is a frequency circulating among us. Every scientist are saying that when you look over the hand, you just not see the empty hand. Have a microscope and look on it. Yeah, there is some energy in your hand. So good and bad frequencies are that, according to me. When you think good and think positively and you feel motivated, the good frequency will surround you. If you think bad, the bad frequency will surround you. Positivity and negativity. Ignore the negativity and try to develop positivity. Yes, I knew that negativity can never be eradicated, but positivity can be increased and negativity can be reduced. Body is the product of the thoughts. Whatever you think is the product, and your body accepts that. Joy, love, appreciation, passion, yes, it's one kind of formula you make to make your body aligned in a perfect way and run in a positive way. So feel joy, feel enjoy your love, and appreciate others and try to receive appreciation from others and work on your passion. Self healing, yes. Resilient nature, yes. These two must be possessed by us or acquired by us from nature. Imagine the world, Earth, for example. You dig it, you drill it, you smash it, you crack it, you blast it, but it remains calm. It makes you to live. It heals itself. That's the nature of the nature. So, like that, healing, self healing. You heal yourself, you control yourself, you control your emotions, control it in a positive way. Feel who you are and what you can do. Resilient, come out of the negative thoughts. Yes, failures will occur in our nature. Throw it out, smash it out with the positivity. Fear, lack, and greed. These three things, if comes into your mind, smash it with the positivity and take the before one formula which I said in the last slide. Joy, love, appreciation, passion. Focus on what you want instead of focus what you don't want. Focus on what you want alone. Inspired thought and following it. When you inspire a thought, follow it. Don't leave it in a blind manner. Something will trigger you and make you to run in a positive way. So once it get triggered, you just search on it and run on it. Don't throw it and hide it inside you. Hidden talent is should never be hidden always. It must come out at one point. So take a trigger point and come out. Everybody will have an individual talent. Inner peace, inner voice, inner calmness. Inner peace, there is something inner peace and another peace, peace. Okay, this inner peace is ideas. There is some inner piece of idea inside you that will be coming out in an inner voice manner, and inner calmness will bring it out. You are the best medicine for all your problems. Yes, I knew that everybody will have problems. You have to overcome it with you. So think you can solve it. There will be a solution point inside your problem. Don't search it outside your ring. Okay. Then what for this entire video is? This entire video is prepared by a single law called as law of attraction. If you show positivity, you will attract positive things. If you show negativity, you will attract negative things. So throw all the negativity out and attract the positivity with your positive mind. At last, I have mentioned two names, Mr. Sami sir and Mr. Chris Edwards sir. The person one who with the mic is Mr. Chris Edwards sir. The person one who with the baby is called Sami sir. I have to thank these two guys because they have created huge amount of positivity within me, and they have given me many ideas. I take this opportunity to thank them. Thank you, Chris Edwards sir, and thank you, Samir sir. It's all I'm running in your footprints because you have left some footprints in my life. So thank you for that. Thank you guys for watching all my videos, and stay positive, spread positivity, stay calm, spread love. We must be united in order to trigger and run our world in a positive way. Thank you guys.